Or Craig should we fire it now before the tuner guy, see what happens?
Let's just see what happens.
Let's have a look.
Right guys, so we're back here after a couple of days because we ran into a snag last time we were trying to do it, so we couldn't get the main pulley off, which, let me just show you. So we couldn't get this pulley off despite trying for ages and ages. Some of the guys here where we're working tried getting it off, but they couldn't get off either. So we kind of sort of took it for gospel truth that it can't come off without some special tools, but once we sort of calmed down, we looked at some YouTube videos and we've seen a few tricks, so hopefully we can get that off now. So let's see how it goes. So we've just set up a hack that we saw on YouTube where we've basically lodged the breaker bar against part of the engine, and we're going to turn the engine to see if it's if it will undo the screw. So we finally got the bolt loose. We did it by jamming this upright on the pulley, which is down there now, and using the breaker bar along with the jack extender over here, just to get a bit more torque as we pull it down. So that has probably cost us around about 6 hours of trying to get that loose. So hopefully that's our one big obstacle, and hopefully we can have a smooth path from here on out. So now we're installing the new pulley system for the Supercharger. So we have to put the old stock one on, and then this goes on top, which is slightly wider diameter.
Yeah, it's just an extension. So this is the original. Well, this comes, yeah. It comes with the Supercharger kit because it houses this on top, mounts it. So this will run the original engine, and this will go to the Supercharger. As it turns, that belt will go to the Supercharger, pulling it. So it's almost like an extension on it.
Right, so we've had lunch, we're a bit further along. Ali is installing the bracket that's going to be situated right on the alternator bolt. We've installed the intercooler at the front. We've got part of the pipe in there as well. And it's carrying on working through. So that bracket is installed right there. We have to leave it loose, so there's a bit of room to play around with when we're installing the charger. Now we're undoing the VTEC solenoid, and that's where it sits between the VTEC and the head, and that's where we're going to be getting the oil feed to the charger. So day 3 of the Supercharger install. It just got a little bit too late for us yesterday, so where we're at now is that we are pretty much at a stage where a lot of the stuff is in. We're nearly there. We are very nearly there. A lot of the pipes are connected in. The cooler has got the pipes. So it started up, but it is choking out at the moment. But we believe the ECU's tuned for the last owner, which was running on E85 or ethanol, whatever it is. It was running on ethanol. So it's not mapped for this configuration at the moment. So once that is mapped, it should be running sweet as a nut. So fingers crossed. So done it all pretty much.
Now we're just going to wait for the tuner guy to give us a call and give her a fire. Or Craig should refire it now before the tuner guy, see what happens.
Let's just see what happens.
Let's have a look. Right. First time fire. Fingers crossed. Craig, you did a good job.
Let's hope those pulleys stay on. Coming out the back probably means it's running a bit rich, so
Well, we know it starts.
we know it starts. So I guess the tuner guy's going to lean it out a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. That's positive.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's get a good tune on it, and then it can run a bit more nicer and smoother.
Wicked. Things are happening.